Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make jam. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. Jam is basically made with fruits and sugar. In this recipe, I'm gonna use strawberries and jam sugar. The proportion is 1 gram of sugar for 1 gram of pectin. Pectin is naturally found in fruits and is one of the ingredients which gives texture to the jam. Some fruits have high pectin levels and others, like the strawberries, have low. The gel texture results from the cooking of pectin, sugar and acid of fruits in high temperature. If fruits have low pectin levels, we need to add extra pectin or more sugar. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!